Hey guys, now it's not often that a product comes along, a software comes along that sort of stands out above the others. Now, this product is called AdvertSuite. So advert is an advertisement and suite. So like advertising suite. If I'm being perfectly honest, this is probably one of the best softwares I've seen to date, I would say. In a nutshell, what this software does is, I'll read it out. Free video, well here's the video here, I'll put the link below guys. Free video showing you how to see every profitable Facebook ad in the world and instantly replicate the successful ones instantly in any niche. Now, so basically, so allowing you to profit big without spending any money testing ads. Okay. Now, anybody that is just getting into affiliate marketing or has, especially drop shipping, you're just getting into drop shipping. This is like a must-have piece of software, guys. Okay. What I was going to say before is, if I'm being honest, I don't know if the title AdvertSuite is if I'm being perfectly honest, tell me what you guys think, but I don't know. For what it does, I suppose it's so difficult to get like a one word. I suppose if you're thinking one word, well, yeah, that's good. But I don't know if it does it justice. That's the only, if there's, and that's just my personal opinion. There might be marketers out there, etc., that say that no, that's opposite. That it totally, that's an awesome name. Okay, so let's have a look what it does. You target your audience. Enter your target audience. View results, view active and past campaigns, landing page results from any advertiser online. Now, if you stick with me, guys, you're going to soon see that this is just absolutely amazing product. Now, I'm just thinking about. I've only been into affiliate marketing. I don't know, on and off for sort of 4 months, and I'll tell you the truth, I haven't even looked at Facebook advertising, but this software's got me excited actually. Copy and implement the ads that work so you don't waste money on ads. So it's going to save you money and time, because you don't have to do split tests and all that. If anybody's looked into this, a lot of split testing. You have to do what works and what doesn't work in ads. But it's all done for it. Now this guy here, super nice guy, Luke McGuire, AdvertSuite. Now how he come up with this is beyond me, but it's awesome. So there. Why Facebook ads and AdvertSuite? AdvertSuite is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure you run Facebook ads that make you money right out of the gate. It's that simple. Facebook, the world's largest social network with the leading online traffic generation method, Facebook ads. If you guys are doing, or if you're already doing Facebook ads, or if you're looking at a business, as far as I'm concerned, just my opinion, but the best business out there is affiliate marketing, okay, and this is great for that, because with affiliate marketing you want to do Facebook ads. Now probably close to being the second online business, I would say, is drop shipping, and this is awesome for drop shipping, guys. Okay, now I'll give you a tip here too. I'll give you why this is so awesome. So say for instance this one here pops up. That's a trending, this software shows you that this trending bottle of whatever it is trending now, and it's selling like hotcakes. Okay, now a good tip is for anyone, especially drop shippers, but affiliate marketers too, if you think about it. Okay, what you do, see, this guy is probably selling these bottles, for instance, for probably, who knows, $50 a pop on their dropshipping site. Guys, now this, I'm giving you a big tip here, okay? Obviously not for all products, but for things like jewelry, clothing, knickknacks, gifts, what you want to do is you want to, for instance, jewelry is a good one, and I saw one the other day. It's trending at the moment, guys, is like, what would you call it, new age sort of jewelry and trinkets, etc. Like, for instance, obsidian jewelry, mandala designs on things, jewelry that helps you to stay healthy, reportedly. Stuff like that is trending at the moment. So if you go on to those sort of, you do what's trending, and if jewelry is trending, or okay, look at that jewelry and then go on to a site called AliExpress. What you'll find is that is where a lot of drop shippers, now a lot of drop shippers are probably going to be pissed off with me about this, but hey, you've got to help. It's not just about helping ourselves, we've got to help other people as well. Go on to AliExpress and you'll better pick up the same things that drop shippers are selling on their sites for pennies on the dollar. Okay, what am I? Example, I have seen, I won't name the website, I saw actually somebody made a YouTube about it, about this very thing. Okay, okay, there was what was it? A bracelet. It was I think it was a obsidian bracelet, and it was selling for $44, and they had it marked down from about $90. The very same bracelet was going for about $1 on AliExpress. Okay, now I've just given you so much to play with there that it's let's carry on here. If you're doing, I sort of don't know how to express it more. If you're doing any Facebook advertising at all, this software is imperative. Okay? There's some stats. I'm going to run through this quickly because I'll leave a link. You guys can check it out yourself. It's clear that most businesses make their most money online. I think we all know that. But then, okay, there's a problem. And this software covers these problems. Many, usually beginners, face key problems. Here's some of the problems that beginners. How do I even create an effort? Where do I send the traffic to? Opt-in page, sale page, webinar. How do I monetize a Facebook ad? How do I know what audience, interest, and countries to target? What type of ad do I do? Video, slide, image. How do I create an ad that is winner versus wasting money on ads that don't work? These were some of the key ads. So basically, those questions are fixed by our AdSuite. Start creating winning ads instantly by finding, replicating what currently works on the number one way to make money with Facebook with AdvertSuite. AdvertSuite is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure you run Facebook ads that make you money right out of the gate. It's that simple. And it gives you so much information about it as well, guys. About the products, which I'll get into down here. AdvertSuite is the world's largest database. AdvertSuite allows you to see all current, live, and past Facebook ads that are winners in any niche. See some of their targeting countries, etc. See exactly where the ad traffic of the winners is being sent off. Replicate the winners for my business. And this will work in any niche, guys. So it made me, this is talking about Luke, the guy that invented it, created it. Local marketing, offline business, online marketing, funnel and lead generation, e-commerce domination. I'll let you read through that. List building domination. Many of these will become upgrades, but if you grab it now, you will get everything below. There's some of the testimonials. I'll leave a link below, guys. Here's how AdvertSuite is going to have you making bank as early as today. Remove the guesswork. So that's time. Time is money. Okay? Generate buyer traffic today with ads. Remove the need to test, change, edit ads by allowing AdvertSuite to show the best performing ads in your niche. Competitor breakdown. So it shows you all the who your competitors are. World's largest Facebook. Over 5 million ads, 15 countries, new ones ads added daily, obviously. Demographic and engagement filters. So you can, filter it down to who's buying them, what gender, where from, what marital status. Geolocation filters. So who's buying, what country are buying the products. Video and image ad integration, with video ads being a leading strategy and they're getting more videos becoming more popular. AdvertSuite will show you what videos ads are working the best for your niche. Okay? Why anybody wouldn't have this software is beyond me if they're doing Facebook ads in it. Call to action based sorting, and for the price too, guys. I mean, and it's a one-off price. It's just unbelievable. AdvertSuite will allow you to filter ads according to their call action to show you what is the right call action for your niche campaign. Position. Ever wonder what ads perform better in newsfeed versus sidebar? Funnel breakdown. AdvertSuite will not only show the winning ads but also allow you to see the landing page the traffic is being sent to in one dashboard, allowing you to replicate the winning funnels. So you can copy the landing pages of what people are using. Find winning ads by searching keywords, competitors, and even domains. Bank instantly with targeting module. AdvertSuite will show you where the ad is being shown to, the genders, and even age, allowing you to remove the key things you need when setting up a Facebook. So there you go, guys. Can't say much more than that. This is a must-have in my opinion. I'll definitely be getting it. There's just no doubt about it. There's a lot of like I say, there's a lot of programs, and some maybe you can do without. This, especially for the price, I'll leave a link below, and you can check out the price, etc. Check out, watch the demo. I think you'll be impressed, guys. And good luck with your Facebook advertising. And if you think about it, guys, there's so many things you could actually be able to use this for. Shop, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, selling of any kind. You could replicate the ads there, then put similar stuff up on all the other social media platforms. So the list goes on and on. Okay, I'll leave the link below, and once again, that is AdvertSuite. Maybe if you guys want to leave some comments below of what you would call this. AdvertSuite is, because maybe they didn't want to call it something like, anything that's hasn't got people don't think of it as integrity based. You don't want to call it something like Facebook spying or something like that. AdvertSuite is, I'm getting used to it. It's slowly, I'm warming up to it. But let me know what you guys think. If they could come up with another name for this. And there you go.